Here you go, Ted. Here is the improved version that does not use a fork and a bearing, and thus we eliminate all the friction. This is straight push rods, nice and efficient. Excuse the dog going past. This is to scale too, by the way. I've used your exact measurements, so that trim tab here is 120mm. The distance from trim tab to rudder pivot point is I think 200 or whatever you said. And the length of this pushrod arm here is the 300. So from here, actually you can see just there is the cockpit line. So the tiller pilot would be working from about this point. Simple as if I just activate it, you can see what happens. For a major deflection of the arm here, you get a very fine deflection of the trim tab, which is what we're seeking to achieve. And the nice part about it is, so it's still working in the correct way, so it's self-correcting just like the original design. You can go the other way as well. Same thing. So you're reversing effectively the deflection of the trim tab in relation to the tiller arm, which is what we're trying to achieve to get that self-stabilizing effect. But I realized when I was doing this that we had this great advantage that we could easily set the sensitivity of the device. Sorry, a bit of a wobble here, I can't see through the camera. So by moving the connection point, so now at that you can see we've got a tiny deflection at this end of its travel. Probably, I'm suspecting that will be enough, but if you wanted more deflection, you can move your little connecting rod up. Very crude mechanism. Sound of the dog bouncing a ball, hopefully. And now you get a much more responsive version that way. I think that's way over responsive, that would cause problems, but you can see it'd be easy to do a prototype in stainless or something that got these dimensions about right before you actually started drilling holes permanently and putting bolts in. So as I said, that's pretty much a mock-up exactly to your dimensions. I'll ping an email together with that length and those lengths, but really I'd say in your situation I would build up a rough, take it out sailing, move this connector along until I got the right response rate, and then build the final version that way. Over to you.